In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend your 2024 tax return in TurboTax. If you discovered a mistake or received a late form, I'll walk you through correcting it clearly and confidently, step by step. First, sign into your TurboTax account and go to the Tax Home or Return Manager. Make sure you're in the same account you used to file your original 2024 return. It helps to have a copy of that original return handy so you can compare as you go and confirm what actually changed. Next, select the tax year you want to fix, 2024. Open the filed return for that year rather than starting a brand new one. Picking the wrong year is a common misstep, so take a moment to double check before moving forward. Now, start the amendment. Look for an option such as Amend, Change my 2024 return, or Correct a filed return. Choose that and follow the on-screen prompts. TurboTax will duplicate your original return and place it into amendment mode. Behind the scenes, it will prepare the official IRS Form 1040X for you. The key here is to let the software guide you and resist redoing the entire return. Only update the pieces that have changed. When you enter your changes, focus on just the items that differ from your original filing. For instance, you might add a late W-2, enter a corrected 1099, or adjust a deduction or credit that wasn't accurate the first time. Allow TurboTax to recalculate automatically. A single correction can affect totals in several places, and the program will carry those updates through the return. If you're unsure whether something truly changed, compare it to your saved copy of the original and modify only the differences. Keep any supporting documents handy in case you need to reference them later. When you reach the review section, slow down and read everything carefully. Use the built-in checks to clear any flags and review the explanations the program provides. TurboTax will generate Form 1040X, showing your original amounts, the changes, and the corrected totals. Preview or print the 1040X and updated schedules to confirm everything looks right. Then follow the on-screen instructions to file your amendment. Depending on eligibility, you may be able to e-file. If not, TurboTax will give you mailing instructions. Save your confirmation or mailing checklist for your records. To wrap up, keep copies of your amended return and supporting documents. Processing can take some time, so monitor your TurboTax account and IRS updates for status changes.